Hello, hello, hello. Good morning. Hope you guys doing well. Another day, and then we're gonna see what's going on. I'm not ready even. I'm gonna open my platform now. So, truly speaking, it's just reaping. So, but initially, we got half a minute left. Hopefully, they take out this low, but they don't need to because this one is like a what they did. They came here to trade this low, and then this one was a continuation. Basically, they can even go high from here as well. So it's like a 50-50. There is this one is the one daily high. So we'll see how they react. I have nothing to do now. Let me see. If my risk settings are all right. Okay, market open, 9:30 open on the top of 8:30. Perfect. So, okay, they're going down. Let's see how far they go. Taken out this low. I'm just observing because today, how far they went already. I mean, this can be continuation as well, but it's all depend because after that, this one could be a protected low. Yeah, so this low. That's what I'm thinking. So I can jump on, but don't want to be FOMO. Let's see how they close this candle. Because this is, they already taken out this high. So daily high taken. So this high I was talking about. So now if they want to go higher, in daily there is this one already traded or not. This high, yeah, this guy high can be a candidate as well. So I'm now watching this high. Let's see how this midpoint of this gap as well. Let's see how they're reacting from there. So this daily gap, checking it. Let's make it blue or green, whatever it is. I don't know. All right. So this is the midpoint of that daily gap. Body closed ever. Yeah, once they closed, opened it, and then they gone down. Okay, perfect. Let's see how they react. I don't even know what that was. Anyways, let's see how they react actually. I have to daily one crossed it. Okay, perfect. So now this is the rejection block. Let's see, and then the midpoint of this gap. Question is how they're gonna react from here. That is another. So there is no point of now keeping this on. We know that there is something there. There are lots of things. So this 15 minutes they taken out these highs. There was a gap there, so I think they traded already. So that means maybe they're targeting these highs. So if they go there, how far they can go? Shit, what did I do? Let me fix it back again. Okay. So what they can do? This area. I actually don't know. Truly speaking, I need to check it properly. So now they're reaping. How many alert I've got? I don't even know. Let me fix those. All this alert. Okay. So now they're taken out all the high, I guess. The daily high, everything taken. Oh, not everything. So now they're taken out this one. I'm watching the other one as well. Because they might take out this one. And then after that, I'm hoping for a little bit of turning back. If they take out this one. If they show any sign. In the meantime, yes, just ripping. So they now taken out this one. Okay. So we got to see, okay, what is that? MNQ taken out that high. Okay, 60, let's say 29,400. If they're taken out, they might go more up. So they're taken out all the highs from there. Now, what they're gonna do, we don't know. If they have to like do a little bit of reversal, they will do it now for a while. Oh my god. But a little bit, let's say around maybe 400 or something, then maybe, because there is a gap there. Okay, my goodness, 990. All right, 90 is too much. 400 and maybe 500 they can go as well, like not good. And so this gap observing, if they have any kind of, so now 5 4, let's say 4 404. Now they ripped, so nothing there to stop. So nothing is stopping means they ES need to take out one of that high, maybe 420 450, this kind of area. 6 minutes gone. Just observing, like nothing to do now, just straight rip. What can we do? I didn't even check today, nothing. So I'm just observing. I'm trying to catch like a something, if they do any kind of like a quick reversal kind of things, because straightforward up, what can I do? Nothing. They don't have that much force. That's the main problem. Ah, this one was missed it. Okay, let's wait for a confirmation, because this is nothing. This one, I could have like turtle soup sell it, but the problem was that seriously, I was there, but I put break even too early. But then I missed the things. Anyways, this is not ready yet. Let's see if they invert this area. There are double. I don't think there is still ready, because this is the high they traded again, back again. It's not ready. It's gonna rip again. is not ready yet. They'll do a little bit of bounce from here maybe. Nothing happening because it's just straightforward. Let's say this one already inverted. Now this one, normally they should not stop here. They should have another legs up maybe. Yeah, they got another leg up. Yep, they've taken out the high. So 10 pass. Let me mark my ES please. Like, you know, like ES need to take out daily wise. ES got a so ES, if they take out that high, then ES got a high there. Then we'll see how they behave. Because this one they invert, but I don't like this kind of inversion. So they taken out this high means they should go more up, dig up more. $27, the 20 they went there. They normally go to 30. So yeah, only watching this area. This what is it called? This one, maybe this area I'm observing. Let's see if they can give us anything. So first 11 minutes, 12 minutes gone. They could reap up to, let's say, 400, 450, 60, like that. Until the ES taking out that high, I'm not expecting nothing. As soon as they make the sound, then we'll think about tiny quick. If they show any sign, this was not a good sign of, let's say, doing anything. I know it's like I mean, selling the top kind of things. Look, this candle is 15 minutes candle, is just next candle need to reap as well, I think. They gone to 45, 50, 46. You need to hear sound. To ES reaping the top of that. Okay, 50 now. Perfect. To another little bit. Another 2 minutes left. Because the next 15 minutes candle is weak, they need to create. So they reached to the like that line, and the ES still didn't take out. This is the area, maybe it can they could do something here. I'm not expecting like a reversal or something. I'm expecting a just like a kind of what is it called, retrace back in the range. Let's see if they give us any chance, because I trade like small area. Like this one looks like the next candle can, if the next candle go up and give a sign, or now if they created, I don't know how to trade this one. They didn't inverted this area, so that means okay, so 44, another minute left. This is the kind of retracement. So this gap they created, look, this one got inverted, they came back and then they went through. So this one was the idea. ES just made double top with the daily candle. So if there is any reaction there, ES need to hopefully ES take out the high, and then after that it gives us a reaction. So now they closing. What should I do? Should I jump on that? Not really, not today, because look, they did it here as well. This inversion didn't work. So now let's see. So they now came back. Next 15 minutes candle we have to see. So this candle, if they go up and after that if they go give us another downside, look, see, didn't work. This inversion as well didn't work. So these are the day the inversion trade will not work, because you know why? Because they are so strong to go up. Look, this is the inversion, didn't work. So ES now taken out the high. I would like to see another candle up, and then let's see if they react from there, then we'll try to do something about it. But here nothing to short, it's just you selling the top. So ES taken out that daily high. Now I'm just waiting for it to give me reaction. Let's see, because slow grinding up is not good sign. The buying is a better option, but I cannot buy it from here. Where I'm gonna buy it from? So overnight is just started here and then just reaping. I mean, now this one taken out this 15 minutes high. I want to see another few candles, let's say up. That would be nice, around 500, let's say, if they can go. So now I'm gonna observe both of them in 1 minute as well, ES and NQ, for a retracement. I hope they don't do it now, because I would not be able to do a very good trade from here. So if they come down now, they look like continuation, because this two is a they came down and this one closed on the, sorry, this one came down, this one closed on the top of that. So that means this one is a order block. So they came to test the order block. So now next candle should be up as well. I was not ready today, seriously. I was expecting it to, this one was like I was thinking to little bit retrace, and then this one as well, like I didn't like it how they did it. This one is still now bullish to me, but the only thing is that ES taken out a significant high. So the question is that will they do a, what is it called, like a, will they go to all-time high today? I don't think so. I mean, what anything can happen. So now the question is that will they continue? Because if they, like this one is a order block, kind of propulsion block as well. This low I'm gonna observe. If I read any kind of retracement coming back, I'll think about this area. So these are the high, they're taking it. There is no point of keeping it. So this one can be continuation, or if they're coming down, at least this area would be more or less, because look, this one didn't come to this gap, retrace back. So this kind of area, I'm gonna check it. This is the fast presented gap. I'll watch it. So all these things, I'm gonna check it, what they do. Yeah, this is look like a continuation. So that one happened, continuation. Continuation trade is difficult. Look at this, how they're doing it. So all of a sudden they're gonna jump to some level, and then maybe they will give us a little bit of retracement. Everything is ripping. I don't know how to trade of this one. This one slow grinding up, looks like it. Look, the wall just stopped. I don't know what to do. Today there was some news. I don't know what news was that. The news are there could be some news, they said, at 9:22 about what is it called? Strait of Hormuz. So we got a news, I think at 45 we got one news, and then 10 o'clock is Jolt. Okay, Jolt opening. Let's see how many jobs open. Factor. So yeah, after 10 o'clock maybe we can maybe get a little bit of reversal or something. Today SpaceX is earning, AMD is earning, Trump will talk later on. So yeah, all of these things gonna happen. US trade balance. All right, so just the jolt. We are opening for the jolt now. Yeah, so they ripped as usual, understandable. So this one was the order block. They taken out this kind of things. Let's say ES taken out the high, but still there is no sign of any kind of retracement. So what they did up to now, I normally count this one as my first presented fair value gap. So fast presented fair value gap, then they just rip. I did some marking, I forgot even what was that. So some kind of a high they taken. Look, this high they taken, no reaction. This high, this is the reaction. They did it, they traded the high and then they gone high again. Then when they reached here, what they taken out, I don't even know. So this area, there was this order block. I was thinking like not order block, like a up close candles there. This one I was thinking, observing, like I don't know why. I like the opening price of any kind of daily candle. So this is a kind of daily opening or daily opening price. So I was watching these prices. There was a little reaction there, and then what they did, continuation. So they closed it. That means this one is a order block. So they came back, bang bang, did it like that. This one is not that important anymore. So this one was the rather than order block is the propulsion block. Okay, so this was the propulsion block. They came back, traded this gap, then they did this one, but they didn't test it, this one. They only traded the, I think that, yeah, just traded the top part of the, so this one they didn't tested it yet. This one they tested it, they dig down a little bit, like nothing is perfect like right now. This one, what they're gonna do, that's why I'm thinking like just a quick reversal, that's it, nothing else to do. Now they're gonna rip. We have to see the jolt opening, how they react from the jolt opening. Today's trade maybe looks like in a silver bullet trade, nothing else right now. I could have jumped here, say that, oh, they taken out these lows and they closed down here. So now I can target, let's say, from here to the highs of those dailies. Didn't want to do that. Just like a kind of contrary trader, you know. I'm more like a contrary trader. I like to go opposite way. It's not a good sign of a good trader always should trade continuation towards the liquidity. So as I missed it, I was not that much courageous. I have only one option left to find a retracement somewhere this area. Still, I should get something. This was the daily fair value gap. They already trading on the top of that. So that means it's saying that lots of things gonna happen. So we're gonna watch this one is the our last barrier. From this kind of area, if they give me any chance, I'll see. So ES now going like crazy. Let's see where they are. ES are not that far from the all-time high, truly speaking. Very, I mean, like they're just reaping. ES reaping. Are they gonna make all-time high today? I don't know. Could be. Today could be the all-time high of ES. Such a big day. Crazy price action. Just looks like, you close your eye and just buy them. Close your eyes and buy. That's the theory going on at this minute in the market. I never thought that they will, truly speaking, they will go to all-time high back again in this kind of situation. It's like, look, if I take from here to there, look, they crossed already the 50%. They taken out this one. Today, if they close like this, it will be becoming like a continuation. They already inverted this one. So daily wise, they already trying to close on the top of 50%. Look, the reaction coming. This is the area, because last time as well they didn't do it. How can you trust? It could be that retracement how I was waiting for, but how they did it, how can you trust them? Do you understand? But at least this low, now they came to test this one. Okay, let's see if they take a. This is not a good one, truly speaking. I'm not sure. It could be that retracement is there. Yeah, looks like it. But this kind of retracement, if they come before 10:30 open, then I cannot do anything. You understand? Like, this is the problem. So now there is a 10 o'clock news. So they came here to test the top of this order block, last area. But this one, they didn't close it yet. So this is a retracement. So now question is how they react from here. If they come here and then they continue, from there could be a sell. But I think they're going up. Doesn't look like they're gonna just fall from here. Let's see. It's like all depend. So if they create something like this, look, still this down from here, I can say that, yeah, this low they taken already. Perfect. This low. So now they created things like this before 10 o'clock, and 10 o'clock there is a news. There is no point of getting involved, because there is it's a big news, jolt opening. So let's see, waiting for the opening, and then after that I'll see how they react. If there is a chance, they will give us a chance. I'm gonna trade. Let's see if I can get a chance. Looks like they're gonna reap up. Now question is, there are two gaps they created. They inverted this one, and now this high ES as well they inverted. But today all the inversion gone into reaping mode. Today is the day it is not working. Remember, I was talking to you. But we can deserve a little retracement for sure. But I don't know if they're gonna do it now or not. I can take a shot from here, but the problem is that this high is not trustworthy high. It's not like a nice high. But two gaps they're gonna invert. That is, I'm just thinking. Yeah, ES already betrayed. Best things will be if they trade there and they close under, then up to here, there somewhere, we can trade. But it's 10 o'clock is then 1 minute. So we don't know the jolt, because it would be better if they retrace back to buy it back. But I told you, I'm like all the losing traders are a contrary trader, because you go against the trend continuously. I'm one of them. I mean, I'm not saying that I'm a profitable trader, yeah. But better thing would be if we find a area to buy it. Let's see how they react. So this one is still now they're saying okay. 10 a.m. bang, boom. Let's see how they. So jolt came up. Let's see what is the result of the jolt. Okay, the factory order jolt is 3.5. So less job than they were expecting, isn't it? 3.545. Okay, 7.35 million job opening. Do they deserve a retracement because of that? So now they're trying to create a continuation, but they are not. This kind of area, lots of times they trap. It's just 50-50 chance, like, because they didn't close nothing. I can short it from there, but the thing is that, like, if I short it from there, let's say, this could be a short, but with confirmation, if I want to do it, this could be my risk. Target, lots of targets there. Even the target, this one, ES already ripped, okay. So now if they close down here, I'm gonna short it, and ES give us like a retracement. Other than that, I'm not shorting. But this one is like I can take a chance. 13 points, let's say, just to like for fun. If now ES give me a retracement, this one, look, is it gonna be a losing trade? Looks like when things happen, let's say when the things fail, look how many times they closed it, inverted it, didn't respect it, inverted it, not respecting it, inverted it, look here as well, where here, inverted it, didn't respect it. You see, so good thing that I didn't take a trade. So now it's better to buy, see, but still now I'm like I'm waiting. If they now came up here, ES already, we're gonna create a SMT here with ES, and if they like close down under this one, if they close down, I'm gonna short it if they can, because these two gaps. So this would be my continuation, let's say, sell, if they can do it. But the idea was to go up, and it actually doing it, you see. So this is the next candle we're gonna watch. So because ES already made progress, this one, how much it came here, how far it came here, it doesn't look like that it's gonna invert. It look like it's gonna be continuation. Today all the contrary trader like me will be bump. But if they close here, I'm definitely gonna take my stop loss will be on the top of that. What they did, let me see. Close look at them. There is a no wick candle here. Perfect. Please don't go up. Looks like they could do something. If they close under here, I'm gonna jump on them. I hope they don't create a gap. Look, see. Looks like they might give us a chance. Now, but this one, what they did, they closed down on the top of that. How can I expect them to close back again? I mean, only no chance going up. So better option. Oh, they came to trade the no wick candle. Let's say if we took the trade from no wick candle long here, what would happen? Where do I put my stop loss? there. Where could be my target? There. So yeah, they just creating lots of things. They already closed, so that means this is ripping again. So 10:04 silver bullet time. Are they not gonna give us a little? So this is before silver bullet. So they ripped. So now 10 o'clock they started here. 10 o'clock started here. Just taken out previous on, no manipulation, no nothing. They didn't take out any kind of low, and they're going higher. So are they gonna take out this high, or they're gonna continue lower, and then later on they're gonna go high? These are not a good trade as well. I mean, like, it's just like, because they closed it, I'm thinking like, because there was a no wick candle, so they came to tap it. So that's the only idea. It can work as well. Yeah, they've now taken out this high. Now are they gonna close here? That's the question. See, this trade, this kind of trade, I need to take it. These are good trade. Why? Because your risk is what? The 10 o'clock, they didn't take out this low. They came here, they're gonna take out this high. So I mean, just trying to gain confidence. Anyways, we'll take it. This kind of trade gonna be continuous. What, ES all time high now? I don't know. Let me see how far they left. Oh, ES taken out all time high. Good luck. What a life. Great. I never thought I'll see another all time high. No, ES I thought it, but NQ I never thought it. Truly speaking. Now, I mean, I would see it, but I didn't. I thought a little bit more retracement I was expecting. But it's fine. We have to trade what they give us. So ES now did everything. ATH all time high. Yes, taken all time high. Another time. My goodness. Go for a while and then give us something, man. I have to catch a trade today. Somehow a retracement. As I'm waiting for it, didn't trade continuation. So hopefully I get a retracement. And I'm gonna hold it. It's just I needed like a tiny retracement, nothing else. I'm not gonna be like I'm not gonna make lots of money out of it, but yeah, just gonna see if they do anything. Let me a little bit research properly. So this idea gone, and this trade as well, it worked. If I just when I noticed this no wick candle, they came to lay their wick, and then they're just gone. This kind of things I could have taken it. Just came here, look, just came here, that's it, done. Traded, made a wick of this candle, and then they just further closed down back again. That means this one got confirm validation. So the idea was, one of the things I learned it today is like, look here, inverted this gap. So, but they didn't respected it. Bullish. Inverted this gap. So inverted this gap, look from here to here, didn't respect it, gone back. So when they do like this repeated time on a day, look, inverted, didn't respect. This one they didn't do anything. This is further continuation. Inverted to the other side, still didn't respect, gone high. So I mean, these kind of days are proper bullish. There is nothing, until, so ES taken all-time high. This one should be out here. There is nothing else to do here, because the retracement, when there it will happen, it will be quick, and then this kind of continuation maybe later on it will happen. So they came to trade this one, let's say this gap. This gap is along with the look this area. So if they invert this one, am I gonna this time believe? Only things I can achieve until here. So not this far, this 15 minutes, let's say. Yeah, this 15 minutes, this area, to just trade there. But when this is the 15, let's say next candle, let's say I wanted to go high, and then if they give me somewhere here. But if then this is the candle they were supposed to actually come here, if they want to do it. But with what evidence I can do that? I don't know, because this is the gap there. ES, only one thing I can say, that okay, ES taken out all-time high. Are they gonna give us something, let's say a retracement? That is the only things I can say. Rather than that, there is nothing. So yeah, ES further ripping back. Other than that, I don't have nothing to trade from. No, it's better like wait. Very, very selling would be difficult in this kind of bullish market. So today Tuesday already they made all-time high. They taken, I don't even know what's going on in the left hand side, because I didn't notice. So this is the left hand side chart. They already traded this high. So what time was it? 9:30 high. Look. So there is a gap here. These two gaps. Let's see if they can give us something. So along that gap area, there is this things I marked it. So I have to see how they reacting. Mm. 39. So yeah, it's absolutely bullish. Close this. What I'm targeting, let's see, 47, 46. Maybe they're not gonna do it, but they should have gone a little bit up. I don't know why they didn't rip a little bit more. Now ES, if they do anything, I like ES to, let's say if ES now give me a inversion kind of things, I would very much would like to trade NQ. But they're all ripping through everything. This one, if they invert now, let's say close down here, now they didn't do it, let's say close, so that means nothing. Still now nothing, only thing they did it, this one. Yeah, it's all they're gonna hurt. But you know, like we might get like a quick trade, but it's very, very difficult to trade because they're like reaping. ES doesn't have no intention of coming down, so NQ not gonna do it because NQ need to catch up. Yes, all I want a retracement. Come on, don't do anything, just give us some quick retracement, invert this one and then respect that one. The further going high. Yeah, ES slipping back again, so no chance of selling anything. Every PD area they're respecting. This will be like a boom. Yeah, so our this one target fill up. So yeah, this trade has only 80 points, 13 points. You know, this kind of trade is, I mean, I don't know why I don't trade like this. I have to practice it. ES just going, NQ need to catch up. But I can't, truly speaking. So this one is now in a position where is went to 48. Now they're not ready to short at all. The NQ need to just quickly catch up. Yes, they didn't look. They are not going. ES is just going. ES made like crazy progress. I don't know why. Candle 2. No power. NQ trying to do it, but I don't think they will do it. They will just come back here because the power is now inverted back again. So the question is that what they're gonna do, respecting or not respecting. Look here, they now they inverted again. Maybe let me see. Yeah, they inverted this one back again. So now the question is, this one became a, like now they trying to create a gap, but the ES have no sign of doing. If they create a gap, I mean, should I try now? I don't know. Nah, they didn't respect it. See, so that means more lag to go. But this one is enough, now. This candle. I mean, if they created the gap, I would be happy. Can be a retracement, now. Can be. They need power. This candle need to be forceful. At least go, man, little bit. Show some respect. No, nothing. They just came down and then. So what can happen here? I'm just thinking here, 15 minutes. Only thing can happen from 15 minutes. They can just rebalance under this one, or they create a gap. So that's the only things I can understand from this area. Or up to their retracement is not ready. I don't think so. It's like a continuation. Either they're creating a gap here, or they like they're not gonna come back to. If they come back here, I don't think they're coming back. So they look, this is a continuation back again. Okay. Let me take this one out. All right. Oh, now look interesting. But they're gonna show everything to trap us. This low I'm watching. Okay. So now they did a immediate rebalance down. Now the question is, what they did just these things right now. Immediate rebalance, taken out this low, close down there. Question is, are they gonna continue, or they're gonna, but this area, except this inversion, nothing else to, I mean, this one looked like a ripping kind of something, like they want to do something, but I cannot believe them. It will be risky. Proper risk. If ES does this, then maybe we'll try. Have to try something, isn't it? Let's say if we sell it from there, this area, what's gonna happen? Only thinking that this is, but this is, yeah, it can be a retracement, 50% of that, but this one I don't think this candle can come here. That is the only problem of mine. Yes, already they did it until the last gap. Let's see how they react. So what I'm gonna do, crazy, they're not having power. Yeah, they're gonna come back inside. This one need to have power. ES already a little bit did something. ES inverted. The ES already traded this low. I mean, I have to check, like this is look like a I mean, to me, I'm not it's not in reversal still now. ES properly inverted. Look here. So from all-time high, 1 minute inversion, and then they created this gap. So question is that if ES go there and do a continuation, then I can trust NQ. But other than that, NQ is a wild beast, because NQ didn't do nothing. Look, see, why these things happen? I don't like it. Because of that one of the indicator. So NQ doesn't have nothing here to do anything. So I'm observing. I hope that they don't just go down like that. Yeah, looks like ES got some feeling FOMO to short it. Let's see if they close down with this one. Seriously, look like to short it, but if I short it, then immediately you'll see I'll get caught. That's what happened. They need to close down. I don't think they're gonna close down. It's look like these things from there they can easily reap. Yeah, that one they did. You understand? So this is the things, is the problem. So now ES taken out this low. Now how they closing? That's the question. from 1 minute to like short, it is very difficult. I mean, this is a short, I can do it, but where I'm gonna put my stop loss, that's the question. Retracement, man, because 15 minutes they might not come here, that's the question. Because if they come like this, I mean, like, do you see? I don't know. Who am I to say? See, so better to, I would say, better to find an opportunity to buy maybe. Because ES just came to test the all-time high back again. But buying as well, where I'm gonna buy it from, no idea. They're just not giving any opportunity. Just close my eyes and buy. That's the only option I've got. Good. They came to trade the low of this inversion gap. Except those, I don't have nothing. So now I have to be careful to look for, if I'm looking for a, because this one doesn't look like they did an immediate rebalance done. Body a one time close and another time close back inside. That means this is still bullishness, they hold it. So they came down, you know, this is a, yeah, good. That was a good opportunities as well. But I couldn't capitalize. So now if you take this one to this one, how far they came? 50%. See, I see it is weak. If you see this week, 50% they came and then they're just returning back. Good. Next time we'll see. And they came to trade. I was too much focused on entry. I missed a good opportunity. Anyways, we'll have some opportunity. They have to give us something. Three minutes left to close down. It's good that they're coming up. Next 3-4 minutes, I want them to just rip. My only intention is to come to this gap if they can. I don't think they will do, because this is the fast gap. This is like a deep retracement. They need to come and test it, because this is the daily top on the top of the daily fair value gap. But the thing is that today will they come or tomorrow? That's the things. Maybe this gap they will keep it as a breakaway gap. Yeah, so that idea, if I just, even this one, let me see, test it. Look, remember a little bit earlier I was talking about, look, this one, 50%. So when they follow, that day they follow those things. So today they coming back, 50% of this coming back, 50% not respecting inversion gap. Every time they coming down, not respecting inversion gap. So what is the lesson today? Quite a lot of things. We learned like crazy today. So whenever they do, whenever they will do something, the whole day they're doing something like that. This is like trending. So this week 50% as well we could have traded. This week 50% as well we could have traded. So weeks are gaps. ICT said it. Okay, now interesting point. This is the area they coming. ES already wanted to, I would say they really wanted to. Oh my god, why did I do that? I should not do that. Why I'm doing that? I did a mistake of because look like NQ is like gonna catch up. I hope ES fall and then NQ follow from here. Come on, yes, show sign of falling. NQ is like, NQ is such a things going on. NQ need to follow, please. NQ need to be strong. ES doesn't have, if the ES closed down with one full candle like that, then I could have trusted NQ, but I don't trade ES. That's the problem. So both of them became like one is not following another one. So now, now ES started following NQ. NQ is reaping. 29, like, yeah, should have, could have. So they reached to the area what we are thinking. I don't know what was that. So now 10:30 starting very soon. Oh, where is my watch? Watch. NQ is got proper strong. So 10:30 started. I want something to happen. Time base. So ES trying to take out something. NQ is not doing anything because NQ is very, very strong. No, they not. NQ will not do it. Yes, what they're trying to do. Okay, NQ now inverted. The question is that will they follow? The same thing, So no gap. Here if they don't get credit, they will go up back again. Because now ES, let's say, taken out this low. No, not good. This is just like a retracement, trading the gap, going up. It's just suicidal. So this area they inverted. Let's say now the low of this one, because what kind of things they're doing? They're just gyrating. They need to just ES now reaping back again. So if ES, if they go up from all-time high, they should give us like a little retracement, man. They're not doing nothing. They don't have power. It's just like these kind of things, when they do it, means like they just want to go up. Yeah, they see inverted, didn't follow. What are they doing, man? Just close our eyes and buy, isn't it? That's what it looks like. Crazy day. Close our eyes and buy. No retracement, because now what they did, it looked like they, this one, what else left? So this gap as well, low of that gap didn't get respect. Still now they're trying, but it's not a respect. So now ES, how they closed it, they already made a order block. So I mean, look here, if I show you here, look. So they came back, taken out liquidity with NQ. There is something already. This one closed down. Shouldn't we buy? Which one? I don't know. NQ is already all-time. I mean, NQ is reaping anyways. Because I don't trade ES. That's the problem. Look from here. So now what they could do? Will they go down and trade this gap and then go? Only this one is holding, but they already taken out this low and then they closed down on the top of that. So this one became high probable order block. Man, I don't know. Look like go over leverage and just close. I don't know. It's fine. So 30, nothing happened. $29, $30. This one came down here. Okay. This candle slowly they're getting smaller. But this kind of area they invert, doesn't look like it. Sorry, the reversal might not happen. Now I think the video is getting longer. I'm just gonna stop. So you have a nice time. Today we learned two things. One is they just follow. Like what they do in the beginning, they hold a follow like that. So I mean, that's the good things we learned it. So like I was talking about this week. Now will this week be respected? That's the question. We'll see. But you just enjoy your time. I have to go out. We are going to a restaurant today to eat out. So I mean, hope you have a nice trading day. We'll trade better than this, hopefully. But slowly understanding lots of things. Today one trade I showed it and that one actually worked. So I'm happy with that. I'll talk to you again and you take care by this time. Okay. So bye bye.